All right, I want to wrap up with the question we ask everyone. We need a Bitcoin price prediction by end of year, and I need an Ethereum price prediction by end of year. What do you got for us?
I was doing some work on this on the weekend for Global Macro Investor. I'm kind of thinking, I'm kind of a little bit overly bullish right now. And I think the cycle, well, no, because that's not fair because I was looking at the cycle itself. I think Bitcoin somewhere north of 200 and ETH closer to 15K. But I think we finished the cycle with Bitcoin close to 400 and ETH closer to 40,000.
All right. So you think by end of year, we've got Bitcoin 200K or so. We've got ETH at 15K. You think end of cycle, which in your opinion, it sounds like kind of February, March of next year.
Something like that, yeah.
Bitcoin's 400,000 and ETH is 40,000.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people watching who hope you're right.
I bloody hope so too. It's not like I haven't backed my own bet. So my money's where my mouth is.
I hear you. All right. Tell us a little bit about Real Vision and where can we send people if they want to check out Real Vision, all the great content you guys are doing there?
Yeah, look, the easiest thing is if you're interested in crypto, we've got an entire channel we built for it called Real Vision Crypto. It's free. All you need is pop your email address and it's wall-to-wall content every Friday. I've got my own show, which is called Raoul's Adventures in Crypto. And there I'm interviewing the most interesting people I can find to get my knowledge up. So you can follow me on that journey. So realvisioncrypto.com or realvision.com/crypto. It's free. I urge you to sign up. It's there for you. It's a resource that we built for everybody because this is the most exciting dynamic space I've ever seen. So that's the best way. And you can always find me on Twitter at Raoul, Raoul GMI.
You got some of the best threads. I love when I think that you're just sitting there and you're like, you know what? I got something to say. And you just go on one of these, you just rip off a thread. And I'm like, man, that is just a stream of thoughts that people needed to hear because that's pretty damn good.
Yeah, just trying to think this all through, because none of us know the answers. So to think it through, put it out there, get it tested is good.
I love it. As you can imagine, the comments love $400,000 Bitcoin and 40K ETH. You're gaining fans by the second. So awesome. Well, listen, thank you so much for taking the time to do this. I highly suggest anybody who's watching this go check out Real Vision Crypto or follow Raoul on Twitter, and we will have to do this again, my friend.
Always, and we'll get you on our side of the fence soon as well.
All right, sounds good. Talk soon.
All right, take care, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
John, I'm coming right to you. What do you think?
Dropping bomb.
Yeah, that was a big bomb drop. 400K by the end of the cycle.
And what I actually really enjoy about talking to Raoul is he's got an understanding of the macro kind of investing landscape. And he's been able to identify a number of different things that are pretty interesting. Everything from kind of the repeat of the network effect and how that overlays with price, but also being able to understand those risk curves and how people just naturally are moving between the risk curves. Again, he's more of, in my opinion, a mercenary, right? He's looking more for right now, how can I allocate capital for the highest potential outcome on a risk reward basis? Whereas some people are more missionaries. They're looking for, hey, I believe in this technology's impact on the future, and I'm going to allocate my capital based on the world I want to see, not necessarily on trying to optimize for the highest potential economic return. Right? Neither one's right or wrong. It's just there are two different ways to kind of look at the world. And naturally, what do you get? A lot of traders, a lot of kind of Wall Street investors who are used to being very tactical, moving positions on a continuous basis. They tend to be more mercenary because they say, look, I am not kind of beholden to any religion, right? When it comes to an asset, any narrative, I'm willing to change my mind rapidly if the facts or information changes as well.